Good afternoon. I would like to introduce our company. UAB Schmidt Contract has been established in Šiauliai district. We manufacture carpets which will help keeping your home clean. We all want to live in a clean environment, so one of the ways to achieve this is our product, fall-through carpets. One of major problems in rainy countries is dirt getting inside of premises. Meanwhile, we all dream of not only living in a clean environment, but living economically as well. We suggest getting acquainted with products manufactured by UAB Schmidt Contract. Internationally recognized carpets fall through. Major advantage of this coating is that the dirt falls straight through the carpet, so the surface remains clean. In case of traditional carpets, dirt remains on the surface. A dirty carpet not only retains dirt, but spoils the image.
Kilimėliai yra gaminami kelių rūšių, iš tikrųjų yra 9 rūšis šitų kilimėlių. Pirmiausia, mūsų dabartinė gaminama produkcija yra...
There are 9 types of carpets. Nowadays, we manufacture fall-through carpets with an unlimited scope of applications. For example, outdoor carpets absorbing dirt, improving the image. We manufacture PVC carpets of 26 different colors and various measurements also.
Taip pat yra 26 spalvų paletė, visokiausios spalvos, įvairūs išmatavimai.
Fall-through carpets are resistant to temperature changes and their primary appearance remains unchanged. The carpets are manufactured of safe and certified raw materials from Germany, England and other countries.
Iš tikrųjų, kilimas yra ilgamžis, atsiperkantis, nes kadangi jisai sutaupo...
These carpets are durable indeed. They pay off because they save our expensive investments to high-quality flooring, wooden or carpet coatings at home or in our office. Since nowadays time is the most precious thing, we save our precious time which would be wasted on cleaning works.
Šiuo metu tikrai mūsų laikas yra pats brangiausias dalykas. Tarp kitko, norėčiau tikrai pabrėžti šitą visą...
I would like to draw the attention of businessmen. One of the best ways for promotion is logo carpets manufactured by us.
Logotipiniai kilimėliai. Taip pat logotipinius kilimėlius mes pradedame gaminti šį sezoną rugsėjo mėnesį.
Produkcija aš tikrai esu pats namuose išbandęs, yra tikrai patvari, atspari ugniai, vandeniui.
I have tried these products at home myself. They are really durable, resistant to water and fire. Fallen amber will not start a fire. Thinner products without pad better fit for bathroom in order to absorb water better.
Vanduo daugiau gertus, nes plonesni produktai geriau vonioje, o storesni produktai šiaip yra, tarkim, kaip turim 15 mm.
Thicker products can be used even in gyms because they are resistant to weight. In clubs, they are used in shower premises. People would not slip on them and would feel safe.
Su įvairiuose klubuose, kaip po dušuose visur ties ir neiškils tikrai jokių problemų, jisai nepaslys žmogus užlipęs, jeigu bus vanduo, ir visi bus saugus.
Fall-through carpets and carpet coating can be applicable at private territory, office, supermarkets and other places. There are different colors and sizes of carpets. You can easily lay them on your own at any place. Look, here's a mat which obviously does not perform its function. Dirt is brought inside, stairs and floors are scratched by abrasive particles. And here's a reliable way to prevent this. Fall-through carpet. Using them, dirt is not allowed into the room because the structure of the mat catches dirt and it falls through. Unique is the fact that by letting dirt fall through, surface of these rugs always remain clean, so you are saving your precious floor covering from harmful effects. Triware products manufactured by us and your premises will be clean. All the dirt that falls off the shoes will stay under the carpet.
Recently,
our clients used products as a roofing. They are used as well decoration in clubs. These products function wherever they are used.
Mūsų produkcija iš tikrųjų nudžiugins mūsų visas brangias šiaulietes ir lietuvaitės, kadangi mūsų produkcija yra
Our products will make women happy. They like wearing high-heeled shoes, which often get stuck in metal grinds in public areas, at entrances to office or supermarkets or other places. Carpets manufactured by us prevent such trouble. Women do not trip, get stuck, do not damage heels of shoes. The ones who use our carpets keep the female clients in high spirits, so that they could enjoy their expensive shoes longer.
Kurios moteris su aukštakulniais ir gali ir paslysti, ir užkliūti, ir įstrigti, ir nusibrėžti brangų batelį. Taip, kad apie ką ir sakau, kad yra produktas atsipirkantis, kadangi sutaupysit ne tik ant kiliminių dangų, bet ir ant naujų batelių.
We hope that our business will be successful because our motto is one step ahead and quality focused.